Welcome back to Joomla Handy Hints and Tips. Okay, on today's walkthrough, I'm just going to be showing you how to clear the cache on a Joomla site. So there's a couple of options here. I'm obviously logged into the back end, you've got the control panel. So you can click on System and then you can click Clear Cache. That takes you through to here and it shows you how many, what is actually held in the cache at the moment. So what we can do, we can individually click on these and then click Delete, or that'll obviously just delete those ones. Wait for that to run, or we can just click on this one here and then click delete all. That'll clear everything out of those cache as well. Obviously you can still see the ones here that are running because those are the ones that are still running within the cache there. So what we can now do, that obviously just is this way. I've also got on here, I've got a component running. So this is actually Regular Labs' cache, clean cache plugin. So you can click on the clean cache, and what that does, you'll notice it just comes here. That's available on every single page. So if you're into, let's say, the I don't know, the Joomla Manage pages here, you can come down here and you can click on Clean Cache down there as well, and that just loads the it just completely clears that cache for you. To get access to that, you need to install the Regular Labs extension manager, which is available from regularlabs.com. And under here, depending if you've got a pro license, you can just install all of these, or you can just go for the free version as well. I'd recommend going for the pro version. There's so many extensions you can get from that, from Regular Labs, but you just would click install on the cache cleaner, and then it loads its lovely little button at the bottom, which you can then just use to clean the cache. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. See you soon.